everyone, welcome to Quietly Crafted. So for today's video, we're just going to learn about the tools that you need in order to start crocheting. Before we get into any tutorials or any projects, let's talk about the tools that you need to get started with crochet. So what I have here is a 5.5 millimeter hook. This is my favorite hooks with all my projects over the years. I also love there is this black grip or rubber grip on it. It is very ergonomic and it makes it comfortable. So over here, we also have a skein of yarn, which I had this lying around the house. So this is perfect for making market bags, scarves, blankets, and whatever else that you would like to do. Now, the size of the hook matters because it is dependent on the type of project that you're working on. So here, this is a bigger hook that I have. This is a 10 millimeter hook. And this would be great for working on very chunky yarn, or if you want to make blankets, socks, really fuzzy sweaters, really soft sweaters, anything with soft textures. Now I also have here other yarn that I have in my stash. So this one is a very soft and thick yarn. This one is a cake that I have, which is about a similar size to this one here. And then these ones are more handicraft. So again, for any market bags or any washcloths that you want to do, again, it is completely up to you as long as you have the right hook for the project. Now, the other tools that I'm going to be using throughout the videos are these. So I have a darning needle, stitch markers, and also a measuring tape. Now for the darning needle, this is to help you fasten off your yarn at the end of the project. Stitch markers is if you want to put a mark on your project if you have to leave, or you want to take measurements. Say that you want to put like straps or a ribbon on a project. So these would be a good use for it. And then, of course, I have this measuring tape just to make sure that I am on track with my project. Sometimes I have the tendency to keep working and add more stitches more than what I have to. Now, I have these diaper pins, and the reason why I have these diaper pins is because I didn't have these stitch markers. I just want to show you guys that if you don't have stitch markers, you can use any pins that you have available, such as these diaper pins, so that you are able to mark your place before you put away your project for the time being. Now I just want to show you my recent project. This is a summer beach bag, market bag that I got from Yarn Inspirations. This is something that I really love. It's yellow, there's orange, there's white. I even put a ribbon on top. Now it is actually quite big because it is about 18 inches long and 21 inches wide. So I love this market bag because summer is coming. Festivals are coming, and also lots of things to do during the summertime. So I have this all made up for the upcoming summer season, and I can't wait. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.